Evangelista, owner and founder of Empowered Cat Litter. Today, I'm gonna be sharing some of the advices I've learned in starting a business. Tara! First, focus on what people are willing to buy more than one or what they need. Kasi if your focus is on the long term of your business, mas magandang may subscription plan ka na pwedeng i-offer sa kanila na sabihin natin once a month or twice a month, bibilhin nila kasi need yun, di ba? So, mas magandang ganun rather than starting something na once lang naman nila i-build pero in the long run, yung business mo is hindi magta-thrive kasi walang buyers na matitira. Following on what I just said, next, we should put our customer satisfaction above all else. Kasi by them being satisfied and if tingin nila na worth it yung binabayad nila, it will help our business and they are willing to pay for the price of your product kahit magkano man yan. Sabihin natin na yung price mo is 170 and then mas mataas sa mga competition mo, sabihin lang natin 140 sa kanila. But you're offering them something that they think is worth what they are paying for and they are satisfied. Wala lang yung price as long as they are willing to pay for it. Thank you guys for listening. Abangan nyo, madaming pa akong i-release. And if you have more questions, drop nyo lang sa comments below or videos that you wanna see. Comment lang kayo. Abangan nyo yan. Gagawan ko ng content yan.